Hello students, how are you doing? Today we will finish revision of the second course. We reach here unit 5 lesson 4. Here we have some passages. Welcome to the games village. Just read for your information. But an important point here is parts of speech. What's parts of speech? Here we have nouns, verbs, prepositions, adjectives. We did at school, and we have the same point in the activity book. There are many important. You have to review. We said at is preposition, beautiful, adjective, cinema is a noun, eat is a verb, exciting, adjective, hotel is a noun, in preposition, kitchen is a noun, nice adjective, on preposition, opposite preposition, relax is a verb, sit is a verb, small adjective, take is a verb, window is a noun. But you have to review both of them, the activity book and this one. Look at the review. An important point here is point 3. In, on, at, from, to. These are, we said, these are called preposition of times. Okay? We did at school this one, and you have to review. And we have another important point here, complete with the present simple and present continuous. If you remember, we talked about present simple if in the sentences there is every day. This is present simple, and there is some words you can recognize for present continuous. Listen for present continuous. Where is Tom? This is for present continuous. Look, present continuous. Shh, present continuous. At the moment, present continuous. And we have every day for present simple. Please students, you have to review these points. These are an important point that we talked about. We did all of them at school, but this revision we did in brief. I hope you will be successful in the exam, but you have to review all the important pointers. And for writing the paragraph, you can write up to you for the exam which thing that you know, whether description of a place or anything that you like it. Please, you can write up to you what do you know for the second course for writing a paragraph. I hope you will be successful for the second course. See you till I see you at school.